This video is to help you know how to use the media recording feature in Canvas, which is how you will need to submit your Talk Tuesday assignment. Remember, if you haven't done so already, you need to come over here and click on modules. That's how you'll find each week's module to do the assignments. So we're going to click on Talk Tuesday, which is the first assignment for this week. When I'm finished with this video, I'll post it right here underneath Talk Tuesday, and you can watch it as many times as you need to. You can pause it. If I'm speaking too quickly, you can use this video the way that you need to in order to get it done. All right, so first thing that you need to do always is read through the instructions. You can watch me give instructions here. All right, since we're not really doing You Teach Tuesday anymore, at least for now, I've come up with something else, Talk Tuesday. How to do it. Number 1, you get to talk to whoever you want, parents, guardians, siblings, or friends via video call. It's up to you. Just ask someone to help you with this. You're welcome to video call someone that's in our class, and you could both be doing this at the same time, recording your separate conversations. You will still have to submit individually so that I can see the face of each of you at your own places. Okay, number 2, ask and answer the following questions below in English. If the person that you're talking to doesn't speak English, you have to translate their answers into English and say it in the video so that I know how they've answered. Number 3, click on Submit Assignment and use the media recording feature to record your conversation. I should be able to see your face. It is a requirement. You are getting points for me being able to see your face. So if it gives you the option to do microphone only, do not choose that. You should choose the one where I can see your face. The person you're talking to can be in your video if they want to be, but they do not have to be. This isn't their assignment. So if I'm only hearing their voice, that's fine. Number 4, you'll submit the recording when you're done, and the questions are here below. So number 3 is the one that I need to do first, which is click on Submit Assignment. And then it's got the media recording button right here. So you'll click on that. Keep in mind, I can see everything, what's behind you, all the things, so you may want to sit somewhere where you don't mind me seeing what's there. So, with that being said, I'll turn so that I have a white background. Okay. For my media recording, it is ready to start recording. Right now it's got both features. Obviously I can see my face, and this blue line that's moving down here is indicating that it hears my voice speaking. If you aren't seeing that blue line, then you need to check your mic. You need to make sure that things are working. So double check that. And some of you are very, very quiet. You're going to need to make sure that you speak up loudly enough that I can hear you. So keep that in mind. You can watch your recording once you're done and make sure that I can hear it and all the things that I need to do. So when I'm ready, I would click on Start Recording. And you can move this box, wherever you need to, especially since the questions that you're going to be asking are up here. So if you need to do whatever so that you can see these right here, that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to click on Start Recording. It'll give me a little countdown. Then the person that I'm talking to, I would ask them, "How are you?" I'll wait for their answer. And then hopefully they'll ask how you are. If they don't, you still have to tell them. So say, "I'm fine. I am working on my schoolwork. It is a really nice day, so I wish I was outside, but that's okay. I'm happy to talk to you." Okay, so you will answer that question. Next, you ask them, "What is your favorite season of the year? Winter, summer, spring, or fall?" And they can answer, right? Let's say they say that spring right now is their favorite season because they love the flowers. You need to ask and make sure that they give you a reason why that's their favorite. So it's bolded. Ask them why. Why do you like spring the best? Wait for their answer. Then if they don't ask you, once again, you still have to tell me what your favorite season is. So you would say, "That is so wonderful. My favorite season is summer, because it's the warmest, I have more things to do, and I'm not in school," right? Whatever your reason for that being your favorite season. Then ask them, "What is the best thing that has happened to you this week so far?" They'll answer. You need to answer. "What's the worst thing?" They'll answer. You need to answer. Remember to keep all of your responses school appropriate. I have to say this every time because always I get something that I shouldn't get. So if you need to remind the person you're talking to about that as well, please do so. Make sure that you thank them for talking to you and helping you with this assignment. You click finish. There's my video already. If I wanted to watch it and make sure that the audio worked and all of those things, that's fine. We're going to title it, call it Talk Tuesday number 1, and then click save. Or if you wanted to start over because you didn't get what you wanted to out of the video, you couldn't be heard, whatever it is, you can do that. We'll click save. It might take some time because it is a video and videos just take time to save and upload and all of those different things. So I'll try not to make any of your videos too terribly long because I know that that just makes it harder to get it saved in the end. So we've got some time waiting for it to save. Okay, it says it's ready to submit. Click submit assignment button to finish. If you have any comments for me, like maybe you want to tell me I'm talking to my mom in this video. She said not to judge her. I don't know, right? But if you have a comment, you can leave it here. If you don't have anything to say, you don't need to make a comment. And then you click submit assignment. And then you are all done. You can always check your submission over here by clicking on submission details and make sure that that recording is there. You would click on this link and it would pull up that media recording. So that's what I'll be seeing when I grade it. All right, if you have any questions, email me or watch this video as many times as you need to get this all taken care of. Actually, I think I do want you to call your submission Talk Tuesday number 1 and then put your name for me so that not everybody's is the same. If you miss that step this time, that's fine. I'll try and remember to remind you of it next time. But save it as Talk Tuesday number 1 and then your name. Okay, let me know if you have any questions via email or we can do Google Meet if we need to have a meeting. Okay, bye-bye.